Here's an Aerospeed box fan. Today we're gonna be cleaning it, so yeah. Not too dirty, but like I stored this in my garage for probably a year now. Never got really clean it, so I just stored it in my room. Floors. It's not making everything else dirty, but I'd rather have this clean since my room. I just cleaned it, cleaned it last week. So yeah. I'm gonna take it apart. So yeah. Okay, so I got a bowl over there for the screws and the screwdriver. So let's go ahead and take this apart. Okay, so I took it apart, or took the grills off. So yeah, this motor looks a lot similar to those last film motors. It's a cam air motor. So yeah, it looks pretty easy to take apart. Just have to bend those. So I take off this blade. So yeah. It's pretty easy to take this off. Not really though. Actually, it's not. I'll take that back, it's not easy. Put it on the ground for this. I just got a new tripod last week, so seeing how I'd work. So if it's not gonna budge off, then I'm gonna put my feet down. You can't really be doing this barefooted, but I am. I've done this barefooted a bunch of times. With enough pressure, you can take it off. This is probably not going to budge off. So, I'm going to have to do this off camera. Okay, I just got the blade off, so yeah. Here's another look at that motor from the front. It's not glory, so it's probably just, it's not glory, so it's not in the, it's not a Lasco motor. So yeah, I'm seeing how we would take this off. Okay, so there's the capacitor. Wonder how many microfarads it is. So let's go ahead and take this off the thing. But before we do that, I'm gonna get those wires off. And it's gonna be nearly impossible. Maybe, I don't know. See if I can get those wires off. Okay, hang on. These are just easy to bend. Okay, so get the wires loose, especially the cord. And what we're going to do next is something to switch here. We have to get a different bit. The switch here is what we're going to have to take off next. Okay, so I just got a new bit. Excuse me. For the screwdriver so I can take off the switch. So we're gonna take off the switch here. This is probably a bad idea, but it'll work. There we go. So you just push that in, maybe? Yeah. I don't really like working on box fans. I know. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to take off the handle and switch. Let's see. Seeing how you take. So I'm probably press. Alright, so we're gonna have to push this one in. It's probably another thing we're gonna have to do off camera, so yeah. Alright, so I got both of those off. Now I'm gonna take off this motor. I'm curious how many microfarads this capacitor on the side is. So yeah. These are tight. Maybe it's a different, maybe it's a different bit, maybe. I don't know, let's see. Probably this bit. There you go, here, it's this bit. These are extremely tight. To speed this up. So I finally got the motor off. So yeah, see how many microfarads this capacitor is. But I need some light. 6.5 microfarads, I think. Pretty sure. Camera will focus. It's not really gonna focus, isn't it? Well, it's a 6.5. Can't really show you, but show you if I'm gonna take this off. See if the camera can focus on it. So let's go ahead and take this capacitor off so y'all, the viewers, can see it. All the viewers can see it. We're also gonna oil it. It doesn't really need to be oiled, but I would like to oil it. This. Okay. Passing it off. See if it'll focus on it now. Probably not. Let's see. I don't know. Okay, there we go. Microfarads. 6.5 microfarads. So yeah. Actually, I had to zoom out just to see it. Could have done that in the first place, but I don't know. Okay, so probably just gonna brush it off with a toothbrush here, because it doesn't really, probably just gonna oil it from the outside since it doesn't really need that serious oiling. So yeah, and we'll move on to cleaning the parts. Hope there's not gonna be a 2-part video, but this might be a long video. This is like the only toothbrush I had, so I wouldn't use it. So. Okay, so there we go. This motor. Looks like the stator, or it looks like the shaft is moving free, fine. So yeah, I'm gonna go get my 3-in-1 oil. So yeah. Okay, so use this. I use it in all my fans. Well, no, I haven't used it in all, but this is what you should use. You can also use Zoom Sprout, which is another motor oil. As you can see, it has a fan on it. You can see it has a fan on it, and it says made for moving parts, so like a fan or a motor, much more. So yeah, don't use WD-40 or the black can of 3-in-1, because those don't do anything. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some paper towels. Got some paper towels, as you can see. Okay, hold up. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. So definitely do not want the wires in the way. And this looks ugly. Just gonna ignore that. So yeah. oil it. Doesn't need that much oiling, but I like to oil it. Use paper towels to prevent it from going in the motor or anything, so yeah. That should just be enough. I'm gonna wipe some off. So, yeah. Let that go in there for a second. So you might want to let it do it for a couple seconds. Is that good? Looks like it's about to come out. Just wipe the excess a little bit. Probably put a little bit too much in there. Probably spin it. You want it to be oiled so it's not locked up, but I don't really have any fans locked up, but yeah. Okay, that's good. Just wipe some more off. I'm not exactly good at oiling, so this is probably not going to be the best. Okay, let's see if they're going to come out. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Now it's going on the other side. It's probably like a little bit. Yeah, that's not good then. Okay, so we just want to put a little bit, and smell a little bit. But it's whatever. Oh, it's gonna be dripping. No. I just get around there and stuff. Okay, I'm just trying to see if it's dripping down there. Hope not. Just gonna wipe some excess off from it. But it's in here. Pretty sure that's ball bearings, maybe. Oh no, it's probably not. Oh no. Quality control is passed on the capacitor. Probably the whole fan. Yeah, it's called cam air. So let's see. Wipe some more off. Okay, so we're just gonna let that and then let that go in, and then we'll go on from, we'll go to cleaning the parts here in a sec. Probably just gonna get tightened, so I have to bring it up. Okay. Oh, that's not dripping. Okay, yeah, it's not dripping. Before I clean it, I want to say that this blade looks a lot like the Lakewood box fan blades. Should have the little brace around it, or the Holmes box fan blades. I also had the brace. Pretty sure the Holmes box fans are discontinued now. Read a comment on YouTube about those, if I remember, or something. Also, I checked on Amazon. They weren't selling any. Target definitely wasn't selling any. So they're probably discontinued. So yeah, I'm gonna clean these, or clean this fan. So these parts are going to be drying for an hour. So I'm gonna start the timer here. So yeah. Before we put the switch on, I'm just gonna wipe it off top stuff. Texture kind of changes like right here. Don't know. I don't know if that was an accident or what had happened for some reason. So now I'll plug this in. Okay, so I just plugged the old extension cord in. Turn this on. Now, start and see. Just this way. Actually, turn the hand. Put the handle on before. Do this. Let's go ahead and see. There's also a possibility I'll probably put this on liquids. Okay, so stop it on like that. Should actually plug that first. Surprised that extension cord still works. It's probably been there for about maybe 15 years now. I don't know. Let's see. That's not so well. We'll have to go close that door. One tab on. The other one I did screw up. So it's gonna be like, yeah, come on, just go. Is the handle on? I hope so. Okay, that's gonna be good. It's fine. That looks fine. That looks not fine. That's probably the handle. Well, that's the switch, isn't it? Maybe? What's gonna have to do? Doesn't look pretty, but it's awesome. Alright, there you screwed it more. Just go on. Not too hard. It is not good. Okay, that's great. Use the wrong bit. So that's great. I'm gonna have to do this off camera. Okay, so I finally got it on. Hope this is right. Hope it should go on now. Flipped it over. Okay, so before I do that, let's go ahead and put the blade on. I'm gonna see if it's high, medium, low. Just a sec. This blade on, which looks pretty clean. I did clean this, but it doesn't really have to be clean. Every time I clean a box clean, I like to clean that part. I think it's called the hub. Let's see. I don't want to just notch up. Make sure it's not hitting anything. Looks like it's not. Noise coming from it. Go ahead and see how this would work. I'm gonna try it without the card or grill. No, they're the same thing, but I'm just gonna put a grill on it. Doesn't matter. Grill's on. Doesn't really matter what side it is. Let's go ahead. Oh. That's low. Okay, so they're the right speed. Just making sure twice. Oops. Okay. So all we have to do is put the grills on, and then this fan will be assembled. So let's go ahead and do that. Go ahead and start with the front grill. So this is an uneven number because I lost 3 screws on them. I lost a couple screws on my last screws as well. This box fan thing, I've been losing a lot of screws, grill screws. They've been trading each other grills. Well, screws in it, not grills. And I'm not trading each other. I'm technically making them trade. You know what I mean? Yeah. I didn't realize that. I forgot I was using the wrong tip, but it still worked. Sorry, I just have to let my dog out. Or in. Screw in the front. I'm thinking this side. Other side. There's like a spider crawling around on the bricks, if you're wondering. That's probably why there's a web up right there. It's common for spiders in this area of my house where which is the fireplace. I can't really be doing this on the fireplace, but I don't really have a workbench in the garage at all, so yeah. By the way, this box fan has no feet because I really a long video. So yeah, let's go ahead and run it now. We're just gonna run it on 3 speeds, for like on all 3 speeds for probably like 10 seconds. So here's low. Here's medium. Here is high. And off. So yeah, this doesn't have good pitch, so it's not really gonna blow good enough air. It's not a serious pitch, but it has some pitch to it. So yeah, that's it for today's video.